tell us about mortgage financing facilities in Dubai?
Yes, sure. Both UAE residents and non-residents can get mortgage financing in Dubai for properties that are ready and handed over. For off-plan properties, there is no mortgage financing. However, in the off-plan property, you can get mortgage loan for the final handover payment.
What's the mortgage loan amount you can get for a property?
If you are a UAE resident and getting mortgage for only one property, you can get up to 80% of the property value. If you are getting mortgage for more than one property at the same time, then only one property can up to 80% mortgaged, and others can be only up to 60%. If you are non-resident, then you can get up to only 60% of the property value.
What are the requirements to apply for a mortgage?
The requirements differ whether you are a UAE resident or not, and whether you are a salaried employee or a business owner. Depending on your profile, different documents are required and different terms and conditions are applicable. These are things like identity documents, residency documents, bank statements, salary certificates, pay slips, and so on.
What can the applicant get as a mortgage limit?
The limit mainly depends on the financial profile of the applicant, such as salary amount, whether applicant has existing other loans, and the average balance in the last 6 months statements. To find out what limit the bank will authorize, we do pre-approval application for the candidate and determine the limit the applicant can get as mortgage loan.
What about the duration of the mortgage loan?
This can depend on the bank issuing the mortgage and other factors such as UAE residency, the age of the applicant, and whether they are salaried or self-employed. Depending on these parameters, banks can give up to 60 to 70 years of age. This is determined at the pre-approval stage.
Are there any minimum or maximum limits on mortgage?
Minimum mortgage duration for mortgage loan is 5 years and minimum mortgage amount is 350,000 dirhams. These are the limits with most UAE banks. Maximum limit depends on your financial profile and current outstanding other loans. Maximum mortgage loan period can be up to 60 to 70 years old age, depending on the other factors. Again, these may change from bank to bank.